What's going on, guys? It is Bernardo, and today is all about updating your OSD Cloud PowerShell module. So let's get right into it. All right, so today is super simple, super easy. So let's just get right into it. So log into the server where you have your OSD Cloud PowerShell modules installed. So I actually installed everything within my MDT server. So I'm going to click on the Start menu. I'm going to locate the Windows PowerShell ISE. I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to go into More, and I'm going to select Run as an Administrator. It's going to load up. First command that I'm going to run is the following: update module with a switch of name OSD, and I'm going to use an additional module of force, and we're going to F8 to run it. It's going to do its thing. Eventually, boom, it's done, and that's it. And that's it, guys. Hopefully, you guys enjoy this video, and I catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.